Law number 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. When Drake dropped Hotline Bling on July 31st, 2015, it flew under the radar. Being in the middle of a beef with Meek Mill, people were looking forward to his response to Meek's accusations of him having a ghostwriter. The song Charged Up got all of the attention, and Hotline Bling along with Right Hand got overlooked. After he released Back to Back and people were over the beef, people started gravitating to the song. On August 22nd, the song sold 41,000 copies, debuting on the Billboard charts at number 66. The song slowly crept up the charts until it reached number 2, falling behind The Weeknd's The Hill, and ultimately losing to Adele's Hello. In a later interview, Drake stated that he recorded Hotline Bling in his hotel room in London. He also stated that he was just remixing Drum's song Cha Cha in the same way that dancehall artists remix dancehall songs. The song was also introduced by Beats One Twitter as Hotline Bling, Cha Cha Remix, when it was initially released, leading to controversy around the song that garnered a lot of attention around it. To capitalize on the chart success he was receiving with the song, Apple paid for him to shoot a music video with Director X and to release it exclusively on their platform. Drake shot a cut and dry simple video with him dancing and it went viral, pushing the song even further. The video went on to be recreated and memed, and he utilized the attention to propel the song to a Billboard Top 10 single. Summary: Drake has dominated the Billboard charts for almost a decade, putting songs like Back to Back on SoundCloud and having it nominated for a Grammy, and taking songs out of regional obscurity like Versace and Tuesday, and helping to jumpstart Migos and I Love McConaughey's careers into the mainstream. Drake makes it look so easy. Claiming that he have the Midas touch, a lot of people don't see the work and hours he puts into writing, producing, and marketing his music. He pays a lot of attention to upcoming talent and brings a lot of them on board to help create his music. In order to be successful in the music business, you must have the same approach. You must make your accomplishments seem effortless, because at any time when people feel like you're working hard, they take you for granted. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.